Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my BMW 7 Series E65 or E66 and how to jumpstart it. So I haven't driven my car in about a couple of months, and if I show you guys right now, it won't start. It's completely dead. So to jumpstart a 7 Series, do not jump it from the battery itself. The battery is located in the trunk. So what you want to do instead is come to your hood, and then on the left side of your engine, you're going to see this little red flap. It's going to have a plus sign on it. You're going to just remove it, and that's your positive terminal. And then right here is your ground terminal. So what I'm going to do right now is connect my positive and then connect this to your ground right here. So now that I have the cables connected, I'm going to start up my other vehicle. And now go inside my 7 Series. It was almost about to crank, and if it does do that on your vehicle, just give it about 15 seconds, let it charge up a little bit, and then try again. There you have it.